Doing a quick update. I just recently got my 2010 Chevy Cobalt inspected by the State Patrol to get it retitled, and I'm going to be sending this one down the road. So this is the last time you'll see it on the channel. The very last thing I have to do before I get rid of it is I put one tire on from the parts car I have. So I'm just going to put the other tires on, and that should be it. And then this thing is really close to being completely parted out. So I'm going to pull all 3 remaining tires off this car. And then hopefully, if I get some time later on this week, I'm going to pull all the suspension off and the rear axle assembly, and probably grab the transmission, exhaust, and then this thing should be ready to go too. So I'll be getting rid of 2 cars. Last look at the 2010 Chevy Cobalt, dropping it off to its new owner. I think overall it turned out very nice. I did add wheels for my parts car, leather wrapped steering wheel, G5 gauge cluster.
I have a stupid request.
I'm not going to do it. What's up?
Switch out the wiper blades.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want. So how do you like it? You know this car has never been smoked in before.
It's hella loud. Well, it's the first time it's getting... Why are you so close to me?
Like I'm videotaping too.
Don't do
I'm so gonna post it. It's a nice car.